Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a bit of a cleaning video for you guys. So this is the morning of Ava's second birthday party, and I'm just ensuring that all areas are spick and clean, and then we're rearranging the living room so that it looks okay for the 10 people that were coming, because as you know, we live in a small apartment, so I need to move around stuff to get the most space. And so I just show you that, and I also just give you a little glimpse of the party prep, as in setting the table and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to hit that little bell button. It is really important that you hit that bell button because it lets you know every single time I upload a new video. If you are already subscribed and you haven't hit that little bell button, please do so now. It takes 2 seconds and it's good. It just notifies you every time I upload a new video. So I'd really appreciate if you do that. I do have a blog for you to check out, or irishfamily.com. that will be linked below, alongside my Instagram. My Instagram, I do daily stories, and I also upload like a grid post every day. So I'd really love if you followed me over on Instagram. Karen H Ireland is my username there. So without further ado, let's get into today's cleaning video.
toxic, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you